Hello, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all in this online session of general knowledge. I hope you all have done very well in our half-yearly assessments and now again ready for the studies. Students, today we'll discuss about a life skill, that is be smart and be safe. Now what comes in this? So today I will discuss with you about good touch and bad touch. Good touch, that is safe touch, and bad touch, that is unsafe touch. Children, you are precious and worthy of respect and safety. You are also responsible for your own safety. All you require is to be a little more smart and thereby more safe. So, today we'll discuss about this. What do you mean by the word good? Or I should say, what do you mean by the word bad? We have these touchings and feelings. What do they mean? Good touch means, for me, it is when someone gives me a hug and says hi. What about you? I think the same. And for a bad touch, for me, it is when someone hits me or someone who I don't know touches me when I don't want to be touched, or someone touches me where I don't want to be touched. Right? So all these comes in bad touch. I think the same for you. Now who according to you will give you a good touch and what kind of touch will they give you? How many of us likes hugs, kisses and touches from people we know, we love and we trust? All of us, right? And how about those same kinds of touches from people we do not know, do not like or do not trust? None of us will like, right? When we get touches, we get feelings inside. Good touches gives us good feelings, whereas bad touches will give us bad feelings. Now what are these bad feelings? They can be sad or frightened or unloved or unwanted. So these kinds of feelings will come if we get a bad touch. Now what you have to do if you get a bad touch? If you get a touch you do not like, what is it called? It is a bad touch and you are the one who decides what makes you uneasy. So if according to you it is a bad touch, it is making you uneasy, you have to make the call. Make sure nobody touches you on your private parts except for your parents, right? And if someone is doing so, you should inform your parents or your grandparents or teacher or some other trusted adults, because these comes in bad touch. Now, some students or children think if it's being done by them, it's being done with them, they think it's their fault. No, it's not at all their fault. It is the fault of the person who did this, who is doing this bad touch. Okay? So don't think so if it ever happens with you. It is totally the fault of the other person and you should inform your adults. Now children, that's all with good touch and bad touch. I hope you all have understood, and now I would like you all to do the work given on page 35 of your book and answer these questions because they are so easy after this explanation. So do them yourselves. And now for the homework, you have to do the mind booster exercise given on page 32 of your book. Okay? And if you have any problem, any doubts, feel free to ask. And complete the work and send me on WhatsApp. See you on next time. Till the time, keep updating your GK. Thank you and have a wonderful day.